And I think I saw on your website the octopus model. Can you talk a little bit about that? What is the octopus model and how does that benefit a company?
Yes, definitely. So I actually just spoke about this at Monday.com. I was a keynote speaker
Nice.
for them. So when you think about like a company's sort of digital infrastructure, you have a company website, you have their LinkedIn company page, you have their digital assets. But the key is driving traffic to these places. So traffic doesn't just stumble upon your website. It doesn't, people don't just find you out of nowhere. The same with like a company page or a company Instagram or something like this. So what we do is we position the people in the company as sort of those tentacles of the octopus. So the company itself is the octopus head, and
Okay.
then the people themselves are the tentacles. So they're bringing things into the head, and they're also the head is controlling. So the head is controlling the tentacles, and things are coming in both directions, bidirectional. From so the initiatives and messaging of the company goes through those people, but they also have their own sort of perspective. And one tentacle might grab, a piece of seaweed off the ocean floor and bring it in. Another one might grab a fish. Another one might grab, a rock or something like that. So all of them have different perspectives, and they all work together to kind of create a ecosystem. So the octopus itself is the growing, living, breathing, really, an entity of its own, which is the ecosystem of a business.